this lecture, I'll be explaining you the next step, that is how to drive traffic to your Twitter account and manage that traffic to your marketing site as well. Now you have your profile set up and some great tweet ideas. Your next ongoing goal will be to gain followers. Sure, there are lots of ways to bring in visitors to your website from Twitter, but the key is to get targeted followers who are interested in your industry. So, how do you find them and how do you get them to follow you? Don't worry, our software will help you in finding targeted tweet pages and promote your website and product automatically. So, make use of it and drive traffic very easily. If you want to learn more about Twitter marketing, I would make a separate course for Twitter marketing as well, where I'll be teaching everything about how Twitter works and how the traffic from Twitter will help you in driving traffic to your marketing website. Do add your comments in the discussion board.